In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing you always want to do is you want to check your Roblox settings. So go to the top menu and then go over here to these three dots that say more. Once you're over here, go ahead and select on settings, and you want to make sure that cross-platform play is actually turned on. If you've done that and Roblox voice chat still isn't working, then what you also need to do is you need to go ahead and first of all just close Roblox for a little bit. So go ahead and just press on close game. All right, and now all we need to do is we need to go to the top menu one more time, and this time we're going to go ahead and select on settings. Go ahead and select on users and accounts. Then once we're over here, we need to go ahead and scroll down until we see other, which is right over here. And then we need to go ahead and press on restore licenses. Then go ahead and select on Roblox. Then go ahead and press on this button over here that does say restore. So go ahead and press on restore. So just now wait for it. It really shouldn't take too long. It is a rather simple and easy process. So there you go. The license has been restored. So go ahead and just press on OK. Now, this time you want to go ahead and just go back over here, and then you want to go ahead and select on sound. Now, we need to make sure that our sound settings are actually correct on our PlayStation itself. So where it does say input, you'll notice that there is an option that says microphone on controller. So you want to go ahead and press on that like so. Then you basically want to go ahead and adjust your microphone level. So what could be happening is that nobody's able to hear you. So you want to make sure that you adjust the microphone level for the microphone on your controller, and you want to make sure that it does reach the good section. So as you're able to tell, for me, it actually is reaching the good section. However, you may need to go ahead and turn up your volume, and that could be why people aren't able to hear you for whatever reason. All right, but you just want to make sure that you have those particular settings in check. Also, if there's any type of parental controls on your Roblox account, that could be a reason why you're not able to get voice chat on your PlayStation 5. So please keep that in mind. So yeah, just keep that in mind before you actually go ahead and try to start getting voice chat on Roblox. All right, now you also want to make sure that the button on your controller is actually on. So there is a mute button on the PlayStation controller. So you want to go ahead and press on it. And by the way, the mute button is literally right underneath the PlayStation 5 logo. So look at your controller, go to the center of it, and you'll notice that there's going to be a PlayStation logo. Right underneath that PlayStation logo is the mute button. So you want to make sure that your controller is currently unmuted, and then there you go. Now say all audio and your microphone are unmuted, and then from there you're able to go ahead and actually input sound, and then from there you're able to go ahead and play Roblox with voice chat. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.